I stopped making New Year's resolutions about 10 years ago, and since then I've accomplished more goals than ever before. When I was making resolutions, I'd say things like, I am going to start working out 5 days a week. I'd say that in January, and by February it was all done. Sound familiar? If you failed at New Year's resolutions before, it's not a you problem, it's a system problem. The resolution system is designed to fail because it ignores how humans actually change. I used to love making resolutions. It felt like the beginning of the school year, you know, when you got your new notebooks and you got all ready and you were gonna, keep them so nice, and then a few weeks, maybe a month into it, it was all forgotten. As I got older, I realized I didn't want to wait for a specific date in the future for something I already knew that I wanted. Here's what I figured out. Most of us make resolutions because we aren't happy with something in our lives. But then we tell ourselves the time is not right. December is way too busy. January, I just want to hibernate. There's always some kind of an excuse, right? And what happens? We keep doing the things we know aren't serving us and just waiting for that perfect time that never comes. Doesn't that sound like someone, maybe you said, I'm going to go on a diet on Monday, and Monday never comes? Okay, so here's what I do instead. The moment I feel that pull to do something, it doesn't matter if it's January 18th, March 3rd, I do something small within 24 hours to move myself towards that thing that I want to do. It's not a perfect plan, and I'm not waiting till Monday or that perfect date or time. It's just a tiny step forward towards that goal. And that's what I did with a small group of women at the end of November. We decided to work together towards whatever goal we had. Some people may have had a goal to, meditate, drink more water, eat healthier. Mine was to work out. It wasn't great, but we did it. And it has given us momentum now into the new year to work towards whatever it was that our goal is. But here's the secret that actually makes this work. You need to know what your why is. Not that I want to look good, not that I want to get fit, but the real why. My why is I want to keep my brain and body healthy so that I can be around for a long, long time for my kids and my grandkids. Because motivation will not carry you when it gets hard, but your why will. Take 30 seconds right now. Ask yourself, what do I want to be able to be capable of in 1 year, in 5 years, in 10 years? Not how I want to look, but what I want to be capable of. That's your why. Write it down before you finish this video. If you want to start your own reset right now, not January 1st or September 1st or whatever arbitrary date that you have, I have a 5-day reset that I will link for you in the description. 10 minutes a day, and after those 5 days, you're going to be able to prove to yourself that in the middle of busy life, you can start something and accomplish something. Not some date down the road, but right now when it really matters. So tell me in the comments, what's one small action you're going to take in the next 24 hours? I'll be reading every single one. If you like this video, I really would appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm spread the video to more people. And if you want to learn more about building new healthy habits, watch this video next. It's all about how to build habits effortlessly. See you in the next video. Bye.